Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to allow everyone to message you on Google Chat using your PC. This new update makes it easier than ever to connect with anyone, even if they're not in your organization or contacts. By the end of this video, you'll have your settings adjusted, so anyone can reach out to you directly through Google Chat. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to google.com. You'll need to be signed in to your Google account, so make sure you're logged in before continuing. Once you're on the main Google page, look at the top right corner of your screen where your profile photo is located. Right next to it, you'll see a small grid icon made up of 9 dots. This is your Google Apps menu. Click on the 9 dots, then scroll through the options until you see Chat. Select it to open Google Chat in a new tab. Once Google Chat loads, we're ready to move into the settings. Next, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on the gear icon, and from the drop-down options, choose Access Restrictions. This section controls who can message you on Google Chat. Under the section titled Who Can Message You, you'll see several options, including settings that might limit messages to only people within your organization or those you've already chatted with. To allow anyone to reach you, select the option labeled Anyone. This tells Google Chat to accept messages from all users, even those outside your contact list or domain. Once you've made your selection, the setting should automatically save. That's it. You've successfully changed your Google Chat settings so anyone can send you a message. This feature is great if you use Google Chat for business, networking, or just want to stay open to new connections. With this update, you'll never miss an important message again. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy guides just like this one. Thanks for watching.